Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see in the hair care streets. Y'all know I've been in the gym, and because I be in the gym, I don't be tripping off my hair. I rock the wigs. However, it is too hot to be wearing units all the time. Welcome back to hair care video. So with that being said, I was at my good sis Ulta house, right? And good sis had this gel that I had never seen before. It's from TGIN. It is called Focus. Can y'all see that mess? Okay, but anyway, it's the Miracle Styling Water Activated Curl Elongating Gel. Basically, it's supposed to lock your hair in its stretch state to keep it from having so much shrinkage. Y'all know I'm a type 4 girly. That shrinkage be shrinking. I just want to see how this works out for me. So with that being said, I'm gonna go off camera, wash, condition my hair, and then we're gonna try this gel out to see how my hair performs. But speaking of my hair, I want to give y'all an update on my hair. So I told y'all once a month I would come back and show y'all my experience with my hair loss, because of course if I am going to sell a hair growth oil, of course I need to be customer number one. So with that being said, for those that missed it, I'll put a picture on the screen. Last year I went through a very emotional time. If you know, you know. And a large portion of my hair came out in the crown. And because I was not tripping off of it, because listen, life was whooping my tail, I decided, you know what, let's just cover it up and go ahead. But of course I wanted to go ahead and prove that my hair growth oil works. And so I started using it how many months ago? About 3-4 months ago. But anyway, the point is, no hair was in that spot from April till about January, February, when I started using the growth oil. So after months of no hair there, not only has that patch filled in, I can actually lift the hair up off of my head. So yes, it is actually by the grace. Can y'all see that? Y'all see, she got a couple inches coming in. But by the grace of God, the patch that was once bald is now filled in, and the hair is growing in beautifully. So with that being said, I will continue to document my hair regrowth journey on YouTube. If you are interested in trying my growth oil, click the link in the description box. And listen, I know it's a new company, and of course people want to see before and after. So to give you the opportunity to try it out for, you know, a little bit of a discount, use the code TRIAL. And let me do something to look like I went through some trials and tribulation with this hair, honey. Use the code TRIAL. You can save 40% off. That's what I'll do. For your first order, 40% off. If you already ordered, try to make another email address, whatever. But for your first order, get your 40% off. Go ahead and try it. And if you like it, come back and buy it. So anyway, with that being said, let me go ahead and wash and condition my hair. And shout out to me for actually being 1 year post Big Chop. Listen, she been going through with her hair. But anyway, speaking of hair, let me go ahead and prep, and we're gonna get into this video. Yeah, y'all can't see the label number. That boom, TGIN. All right, let's get into this product. Again, this is the TGIN Miracle Styling Water Activated Curl Elongating Gel. It's a strong holding styling gel activated by water to lock tight textures in its stretch state to combat shrinkage. Okay, girl. No sulfates, parabens, lanolin, petroleum, mineral oil. Child, do it have silicone? Because I know some of y'all care about that. I don't see any silicones, but definitely double check, do your Googles and all the other stuff. So anyway, the directions pretty much say on clean hair and drenched wet hair, apply the water activated curl elongating gel. Use a curl styling brush to ensure even application. Air dry or diffuse curls to add more volume and soften. We're gonna go the diffuser route. The smell, first, girl, it smells good. It smells fruity. And the consistency, it looks along the lines of like a wet line or something like that. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's just like that clear, watery type of consistency. So with that being said, this is supposed to be applied on drenched hair. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I wasn't doing no shower scene. I'm sorry, it's just too much going on. So let me go re-wet the hair, and I'm gonna do patch by patch and just listen. We're gonna rock out. All right, to make sure it's drenched, there we go. We got water dripping out and everything else. So you know, because somebody gonna say it's too dry. No, baby, it's wet. I'm leaking sucker wet. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna just take some of this gel, rub it together in my hands, and put it on this section. It goes on very light, very light. Oh my, very light. Let's try a little bit more, okay? Because I don't want to do too much and then it be flaking. But I'm like, wait a minute, I need to feel something now, child. All right, so we're just gonna rub it on. We got Miss Leatherwood, so we just gonna run the brush through for even application. Okay, we follow directions. Okay, so if I say it's bad, you can't say, well, you didn't do it to practice it. Yes, I did, child. And then I'm just going to just kind of section a little bit. Okay, she got a little spray to it, whatever. Okay, wait. We kind of liking her a little bit. We kind of liking her. What you do? Whoa, we do like her. Wait, whoa. Okay, wait. Y'all see? Let's do another section. Take some of this gel, rub it together in my hand, and I'm going to apply it to this section. Got my brush it through. I need to trim, y'all. And then I'm gonna take a smaller section and just kind of rake. Smaller section, rake. Smaller section, rake. All right, so look, this is what I'm gonna do. For every section of hair, I'm going to re-wet it before I apply the gel, just what y'all just seen me do. I'm gonna re-wet it, apply some gel, run the brush through, and then do just a little bit of raking just to see how my hair sits. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. All right, so here is my hair with it set. I just put the gel everywhere and I haven't done anything else. Do I feel like I see a difference with elongation so far? Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, and that's just being honest. And if it is a difference as far as shrinkage or elongation, it's very slight. I don't think it's nothing too dramatic. So here's what I'm gonna do, just because I want to wait until the end to get my final thoughts. Let me go ahead and diffuse my hair. I'm going to diffuse my hair upside down until it's completely dry. I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final results. I got some thoughts. All right, and so this is my hair with it about 90% dry. I used the diffuser to get here. I'm gonna be honest with you, Chief, I'm not gonna wear it like this, okay? We get to I'm not gonna wear it like this. We about to stretch this bad boy, but because this is an elongating gel, I wanted you to see what the hair dries like with it not being stretched or manipulated whatsoever. So with that being said, let's go manipulate, and I'm gonna show you the final results in 5, 4, 3, 2. And my hair is now complete. Let's talk, because Miss Thing here, oh, she threw me for a loop. This was actually pleasantly surprising. And what I mean by that is this: during the application process, because it goes on so lightweight, I was not expecting much from this gel, but this, when it dries, is beautiful. The hold, they say it's strong. I'm gonna say on my hair, it actually feels medium. There's no cast at all. There's no crunch. Like, there is some hold to my hair, but not the way when I think of a strong hold gel. It's not like that. And then also keep in mind that I did not use a leave-in. I know a lot of naturals do use leave-in. So if you use the leave-in, this really will not be a strong hold gel, because of course the leave-in softens up the hold. For me, this is definitely a strong medium, not quite all the way strong. Does that make sense? Pretend that it does. Anyway, I feel like it's a great styler. It reminds me a little bit of like a wet lines type situation. I really enjoyed this gel. But for the claim that it is a water activated curl elongating gel, this just being honest, I could not find my spray bottle. So I had a water bottle. And so what I was doing was actually pouring water on my head since I ain't in the shower. So I did put this on soaking wet hair. While it did help with definition, it did have minimum frizz, I should say, up until I did any stretching. As far as elongating, I can't really say it elongated my curls so much. I don't know what it was that I was expecting. I do feel like it's a great gel, but if you are expecting this to completely stop all forms of shrinkage for you, this does not do that. It definitely is a great styler, but as far as combat and shrinkage, I need a little bit more combat in my combat. But I would not have a problem purchasing this gel again. This is actually my favorite gel from TGIN so far. I've used some other ones and they were cool, but this is good. Okay, do you hear me? This is actually really good. So shout out to TGIN for their new release. I bought this at Ulta, and I'll link everything in the description box. So with that being said, y'all, I'm out of here. I love the definition of my hair, especially considering it does not have any crunch whatsoever. Oh, and I didn't get flakes either. I do want to say that, because, and I'll be honest, I used that rose water gel from TGIN. I liked it, but it left my hair with some flakes. This, no flakes. So I actually really do like this. So yeah, with that being said, they knocked it out of the park with that one. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece. Bye bye. Oh wait, let me turn around. Boom to dum to dum, dum to dum to dum, boom to dum to dum to dum. Okay, and now you can go. Bye.